ntNet is an application that allows you to identify plants from photos. It's free and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play on your mobile or accessed via the web. Once the application is loaded, it will ask you to choose a flora, that is a list of plants in which you wish to search. By default, and if your GPS is activated, the search is automatically based on your location, but you can also select an area in the Map tab or a specific flora in the dedicated tab. In microprojects, select the desert locust biotopes. ntNet will prompt you to create an account. By creating an account, you will be able to track your data and join or create groups. You'll be able to share your data with the community and contribute to research projects such as the Desert Locust Biotopes project. Go to the Registration tab and create your account. It's important to enable GPS as only geolocated data can be included in research projects. Once you've created your account, here are a few settings you'll need to make for optimum use of the application. In Profile, go to the menu located in the three dots and follow option, then My Data. Here, you can activate the buttons Make Geolocation Public and Make Additional Data Public and apply this choice to all your observations. In this way, you authorize the application to share your data with the community. On the identification page, go to Filter. Deactivate the automatic search when a photo is added. Deactivating this function allows you to add several images to your observation. Go to the Identification tab. You are inside the Desert Locust Biotope microproject, which means that your observations and searches will be carried out in the flora specific to the project. To make an identification request, you can take a photo of a plant by clicking on the camera or go and find an image in your gallery. You can upload up to 4 photos for a single observation. Make sure your photos are of good quality, that is well framed, sharp, and without objects or people in the frame. The quality of the identification result depends largely on the quality of the images submitted. For each image added, the application will ask you to specify which organ it is. The application is much more efficient if you add several photos for the same plant and if you illustrate several organs: flowers, leaves, fruit, bark. Once your images have been loaded, click on Search to launch the identification process. The results appear in the form of a list of plants, sorted in order of certainty. You can enlarge the images illustrating each species by clicking on them. Clicking on the species name takes you to a page containing various information and web links about the species, as well as all the images shared by other ntNet users, sorted by organ. Once you've chosen your species, validate your choice of identification. Don't hesitate to vote even if you're not sure. Other, more qualified users will be able to review your identification. Then share your observation with the community. Your data will contribute to improving knowledge of species favorable to desert locust development. They will be integrated into scientific research projects on this theme, and you'll become a player in participatory science. The Feeds tab gives you access to all the observations shared in the project. By clicking on Observation Details, you can report a malformed observation, that is one made up of photos of different species, or a misidentified one, vote for the species name, retag an organ, and vote for image quality. The Species tab lets you explore all the plant species in the flora of desert locust biotopes. You can browse by family, genus, or species. You can filter the data according to the IUCN Red List. Identify plants and become an actor of citizen sciences.